I would like to extend my congratulations to International Bamboo and the Rattan Organization, INBAR, on the occasion of the 25th anniversary and the opening of the second Global Bamboo and Rattan Congress. Bamboo and the rattan offered many social, economic, and environmental benefits that can support poverty eradication and economic development, climate change mitigation and adaptation, and of course, environmental protection. Since its creation, INBAR has seen a steady increase in its membership and its collaboration with the UN entities, including with my department, UNDESA, as an observer to the work of the 3 Rio Conventions and the UN General Assembly, and an active contributor to the work of the United Nations Forum on Forests. UNDESA, as Global Secretariat for the Sustainable Development Goals, engages stakeholders around the world in the implementation, evaluation, and monitoring process of the SDGs. In this regard, we welcome INBAR's efforts and collaboration to move forward the Sustainable Development Agenda. Happy 25th anniversary to INBAR. Keep up the great work. I wish you an excellent and successful Congress.